Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to morph one shape into another in PowerPoint, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open the blank presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, go to Insert, go to the Shapes tab, and then we will select a certain shape. Let us say I'll select this shape and then I will create it here. After this, once it is selected, go to the Shapes Format tab and then go to the Insert Shapes option, click on the downward pointing arrow, click on Change Shape, and let's say I change it to Circle. This is just an example. It could be a very complex thing, but I'm showing an easy example. After this, keeping this shape selected, go to the Transitions tab and select Morph. Morph means that these shapes will change into it. Now click on it once again and you'll see the shape morphing here. Now, when you start the presentation, it will appear in the same manner. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.